Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can either change, remove, or delete an address that you have on your PayPal account. So as soon as you log in to your PayPal, it's going to take you over to the summary page. We're going to be looking to open up our settings. That's going to be in the upper right-hand corner next to where it says log out. We have a little settings gear that we're going to click on up here. In our account settings page, over here on the side, we have our addresses. And if you only have one address listed, and that being your primary address, you're not going to be able to remove this because you have to have at least one address on file in your PayPal account. So what you can do in that instance is just click this edit button over here on the side, and then you can just change this address to something else, and that will remove it essentially from the account. You can also add a new address by clicking this little plus sign, add new, up here in the upper right-hand corner. And then you can fill out the information here for a new address. And if you want to make this your new primary address, you just click this box here at the bottom. And after you enter in all of the relevant information, click where it says add address. And then whichever address that you had as your previous primary address, that one is just going to be now a secondary address in your PayPal account. And you're going to be able to delete it at that point in time. So I went in and I added a second address just to show you what this looks like. If you have multiple addresses, then you're going to have this option right here where it says see all addresses. And you can click on that. And that takes you over to a list of all of your addresses, and whichever address that you want to make your primary one, either the one that's currently your primary or your secondary address, you can set as your primary. But whatever addresses that you have down here that aren't your primary address, it's really easy to remove them. You just click this little button here that says remove. And then it will ask you to confirm if you want to remove this address, and just click remove to get rid of it. And then you should be good to go at that point in time. So I hope this video was helpful, showing you how you can either change your primary address or delete or remove an address that is on your PayPal account. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing, and I'll catch you back here next time.